Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add custom text box in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Now we want to add custom text box. Enable the 3-dot drop down menu. Then go to the insert menu. Select the text box option. We can see here automatically added a text box. You can write anything to this text box. Now I am write some text. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the format menu. Increase the font size of text. You can increase the size of the text box. Select the text box and go to the settings of text box. We can see here the opacity of text box. You can increase or decrease the opacity of text box. Otherwise you can add the border color. Now I am select the border color. You can make the border white. Now I am select the border solid. Now we can see we make a custom text box in Zoho Writer very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.